of this 30-foot Contender that has engine failure.
Alright, we're running on a 30-foot Contender that has engine failure right outside of Madison, and he's going to Madison. Let's go get on scene with him and hook him up.
Get on scene now, let's hook him up. We're gonna hit now, we're gonna take him to the fuel dock.
We're gonna go right to that cleat right there, and then you just go around it, alright? I'm in neutral. The issue was he ran out of fuel. He filled her up and he's going back out. My job here is done.